Hi guys, in this video I am going to share top 10 useful loose powder hacks. For this you need to take translucent loose powder. Let's get into the video. Here I have used Lakme whitening rose powder. This rose powder is translucent, so it can be used in many ways. First hack is to set your foundation. Take a powder brush and apply this loose powder after applying a foundation so that it will control excess oil production. The next use is to plump up your lashes. Apply the loose powder on your eyelashes in between mascara so that it will increase the volume of your eyelashes. Just simply take some loose powder and apply it on your eyelashes and then apply a coat of mascara on it and again apply some loose powder and mascara. By doing this, it will give a voluminous look to your eyelashes. The third hack is baking. For this you need to take a small brush and apply this loose powder under eyes after applying a concealer, so that it prevents crease lines under eyes and avoid cakey look. The next hack is to blend your eyeshadows. Before applying any eyeshadow, make sure to apply this loose powder on eyelids so that it stays for long time. The next hack is to fix any makeup mistakes. If you overdo any bronzer or blush, you can apply some loose powder on top of it so that it will lighten the shades of blush, bronzer or contour. And the next hack is sandbagging technique. Apply more amount of loose powder under eyes before any eye makeup, especially if you are doing a glitter eye makeup. By doing this, it will avoid a disco ball look. After completing the eye makeup, dust the powder under eyes. The next hack is using it as a dry shampoo. When you feel your scalp is oily, apply some loose powder on your scalp so that it will absorb all the excess oil from your scalp and hair and gives it a fresh look. The next hack is to make matte lipsticks. If you have shiny or glossy lipsticks, then you can apply some loose powder on top of it so that it gives non-shimmery matte look to your lips. The ninth hack is to remove shine from your face. If you have oily skin, you can put some loose powder on your face so that it absorbs all the excess oil from your face and gives you a refreshing look. And the last hack is to brighten up under eyes. Apply some loose powder under eyes and blend it well. By doing this, it will highlight your under eyes. So these were the 10 loose powder hacks. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like and share this video and comment your opinion below. Finally, don't forget to subscribe.